A very good morning, my dear students. We will continue with the same chapter, the COP and the anthem. Yesterday, we were able to complete this chapter and we have started discussion of question answers. So let's continue with the same one. Tell me, screen is visible to you. This chapter is visible. Show me thumbs up if it is visible to you. Tell me. Okay. Now, all of you should have books in your hands, because without books, only by looking at the screen, you are not able to explain the chapter, because you have to go through all the details again and again in order to find out the content of the answer. Okay. So I hope my intelligent students will have books, pens and notebooks with them, so that they can frame answers, whatever the details they have got, they can jot down all the details in their notebooks. Okay. So we were discussing question number 3rd or 4th. Tell me.
4th.
Okay. So let's begin with that. Question number 4 is, but the co-op's mind would not consider Soapy. What did the co-op not consider and why? See, what was the action that co-op noticed and he did not consider? What was that action? Think about this. What was that action which was done by Soapy and co-op thought that yes, it should not be considered, and he did this because he wanted to go to jail. So Lakshya, you tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Soapy threw stones on big glasses windowed shop in the order to be arrested by the cops. However, because he continued to stand there waiting for the cops to come, the cops refused to believe that Soapy could be the culprit.
Okay, good. Any other student who can also try? See, what action was done by him? What did he do? He threw a big stone on a glass window. Why did he so this? Because he wanted that it should be considered as a crime. Police would come and he would be caught and he would put behind the bars. But it happened so. Again, it was an irony. He did this action, but police thought that whenever any person does such kind of action, what do they do afterwards? They run away from the scene. And this is the first one who is standing there, who wants that should be caught. So that's why cop thought, no, this person is not a culprit, is not a criminal, so that person should not be caught at all. Am I clear to you? Okay. So Janvi, you tell me same answer.
Yes, ma'am. Cop did not consider Soapy as the person who threw the stone at the window glass because no criminal would stand after doing so and talk to the court.
Good. Himalaya, your answer is ready. Himalaya. Himalaya, you tell me this answer. If you will not give me answer, I'll mark you absent. Tell me your answer, Himalaya. Aryan, you tell me what have you written in this answer. Aryan. Aryan. Janvi. Janvi, you tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am. Cope did not consider Soapy as the person who threw the stone at the window glass because no criminal would stand after doing so and talk to the Cope.
Okay. But you just elaborate with more details. I have told you this
मैम मैंने
answer
पहले
already.
भी बताया था।
Sorry.
मैम मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने ही बताया था पहले।
But you add some details that I have told you just in class. Just now I have told you, na, you have to tell all the details that why did he saw this, why he was not considered as a criminal. So you are supposed to add all these details. Clear?
मैम
Now let's move to next question. We have orders to let them shout. What is the policeman referring to? When Sophie started shouting and crying in front of a theater, cop arrested him? No, cop did not arrest him. Why so? Because the higher authorities had given orders to let the college students shout and cry without hurting anybody. Because in front of theater it was allowed that college students can shout. So in such kind of cases, they should not be arrested. They should not be caught at all. So this answer I expect from offline students. Your name is Arshia. Yes. Yes, very good. So it was decided like that, that if college students shout like this, so what should be the result? They should not be arrested for this thing. Because in theater, if they, in front of theater, if they create such kind of sound, such kind of noise, so they should not be arrested at all. The last one, you tell me same answer. But the cop's mind would not consider Soapy. What did the cop not consider and why? Sorry. Who have orders to let them shout? What is the policeman referring to? 3 students have told this answer. Write down this answer and tell me, hurry up. Be attentive in my class. Satvik, your answer is ready. What happened in front of theater? What did he do? Tell me. Garbit, you tell me this answer. Harmanpreet, you tell me. Garbit and Harmanpreet.
No, cop did not arrested him because it was allowed to shout in front of theater.
Okay, it was okay, but add 1-2 more lines. Samriddhi, your answer is ready. Samriddhi, what have you written? Drishti, you tell me this answer. Yes, Drishti,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
you tell me this answer.
We have orders to let them. We have orders to let them shout. The policeman referring this to the college students who are shouting in front of theater. The policeman said that they have orders to let them shout. They should not be arrested if they shout.
Okay. Now let's do true and false. Because in 5th answer, you have to tell only this thing, that when he started making a noise in front of a theater and he thought that by committing such kind of thing, he would be arrested. But later on, what he came to know that Soapy did not arrest, Soapy was not arrested by Cope. Why so? Because when the action was, when the decision was taken by authorities, what decision was taken by authority? That when college student of any of the person creates such kind of noise in front of theater, they should be allowed, they should not be arrested at all. She is a student of 7th B. Bacha, you come here, sit here. Now let's do true and false. All of you type in chat box. I want maximum participation. Soapy stole a man's umbrella. Soapy stole a man's umbrella. It is true. The owner of the umbrella offered to give it to Soapy. Yes, it is also true. The man had stolen the umbrella that was now Soapy's. True, very good. Soapy threw away the umbrella. Tell me. Yes, it is also true. So all these are true. Now next question we have is, there was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. What brought about the change in Soapy? See, he was making different kind of plans. All these plans were successful or it was failed? Tell me, all these plans were successful or it was failed? All his plans were completely failed and he was completely disturbed. Okay. So what did he do? He started walking towards Madison Square. Okay. So suddenly he reached his childhood house. He heard a very, very soft music that was coming out of living room. He was deeply charmed by the music. Okay, he became emotional and he felt a sudden and a very drastic, tremendous change in his personality, in his soul. He felt such kind of change. So start framing this answer. Start framing this answer. Hurry up. Who is going to tell me this answer? Ritisha, Anmol Singh, and Rudar. Tell me this answer. Hurry up. Ritisha, Anmol Singh, and Rudar. Rudar has left. Very good. Ritisha and Anmol Singh, what have you written? Tell me this answer. Those who are not responding in class, they will be marked absent. Ritisha and Anmol Singh, Hardik Bhutani, Himalaya. See, nobody is responding. Okay, Himalaya, you tell me this answer, otherwise I am going to remove you from my class. Himalaya. Ritisha is saying मेरे से mic unmute नहीं हो पा रहा है. You just click on unmute option. Manraj Veer saying, you tell me this answer.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Who is that?
Ma'am, Anmol Singh.
Okay, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, seeing his old childhood home, the peaceful and bright moon in the sky, and hearing of sweet music and great effect on Sophie, he had self-realization to find again a purpose in life. All his brought a sudden change in his soul. He wished to pull him out of his mud. He wished to become a man again.
Good. Sanya, you tell me this answer. Sanya,
Yes, ma'am.
what have you written, Bacha?
On seeing his old house, Sophie felt that why he is doing this dirty work, he should move ahead in his life and find a job to live a peaceful and happy life.
Bacha, elaborate with more details. Your answers are not so perfect. I'm not happy with all these. See, in this answer, what you have to do, you have to tell about all his plans. All his plans were successful or failed. All his plans were failed. So first, some lines you can make on his plans, 2-3 lines, that whatever the plans he was having in his mind, all those plans were failed. Now he got, after plans were failed, how did he feel? He got disappointed and he got depressed. When his all plans got failed, how did he feel? He got disappointed, he got depressed, and what did he do? He started moving to Madison Square. And when he was moving to Madison Square, what did he see there? Tell me. Yes, he got a chance to see his childhood home. So when any person gets a chance to see its childhood home, how would it feel? He would definitely lost in the memory of childhood, lost in the memory of childhood, thought about innocent days, innocent thoughts, innocent days. He was thinking about those days when he was so innocent, when he was enjoying childhood, okay? And he heard soft music. He heard soft music, okay? And he felt deeply charmed by the music. He felt deeply charmed by the music. Okay. Then how did he feel? He felt emotional, and there was a drastic, tremendous change. There was a drastic, tremendous change in his personality. So you can put such kind of vocabulary words that he felt a drastic change, tremendous change in his personality. So bache, you are supposed to write down all these things in your answers. I have provided you hints. Now keep all the hints in front of you. Now start framing answer. And I hope now you will be able to frame good answer. Hurry up bache. Start framing this answer. Start framing this answer, hurry up. Start framing this answer. Now clear? Now who is going to tell me this answer? Hurry up. Who is going to tell me this answer? Tell me. Tell me who is going to tell me this answer? Okay, Lakshay, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Sophie was very upset and disappointed because his all plans were failed. Like Sophie's first plan was to go to a big restaurant and order some food to us.
Wait. Yesterday I told you the pronunciation of restaurant. Now what did you speak? Tell me.
Restaurant.
Speak it 10 times, restaurant.
Restaurant, 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 restaurant.
Yes. Now I have to be strict with you. It is restaurant. I have told you yesterday, bache, follow this correct pronunciation. Okay? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am. Second plan was Sophie threw stones on the big glasses so that he would be arrested by the cops. In third plan, she shouted and cried as loud as possible to be arrested by the cops. But his all plans were failed. So he started walking towards the Madison Square. After walking some distance, he went to childhood home and he lost his memory of childhood innocence and heard a soft music.
here, stop,
After hearing a
stop. Heard. Speak
Okay.
heard.
Okay, ma'am.
Speak 5 times heard.
He
Heard.
Heard.
Speak heard.
Yes, ma'am. He lost his memory after hearing a soft music, and there was a drastic change and a slash tremendous change.
Good. Now, Jasleen, you tell me this answer. Yes. Good, Lakshay.
Yes, ma'am. Sophie made many plans to get arrested and go to the Blackwell's Islands prison, but all in vain. He was very depressed, disappointed. He started to move to the Madison Square. On his way, he saw his childhood home and he got lost in his memories with his innocent thoughts and his big dreams. He heard soft music and he was deeply charmed by it. He became very emotional with all those memories and all those flashbacks in his mind and the emotional music, and thus this made a very drastic and tremendous change in his personality. Uh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this answer is clear. Now let's do next question. Next question we have is, suppose no co-op came at the end. What would Sophie lives be like through the winter? Now it is your imagination. Your imagination can be different from your friend. Your friend imagination can be different from my imagination. So your all answers will have different answers. So all answers will be different. So you now tell me, what do you think? Suppose at and no co-op came. So if no co-op would be there, He would not be, you can say, arrested. So how would be his life at the end? Because now he has noticed a drastic change in his personality. His soul was completely changed. Now he was not making any plans anymore. Okay. Now he was thinking about innocent days. He wanted to start his life from the very beginning. He realized his mistake. But all of a sudden, cop came and he was being arrested and he was put behind the bars. But if police had not come, what would be his life? Tell me. Okay. And another child? He would become weak. Yes. What is your perspective? What do you think? Type in chat box. One line. I'm going to read your chat box. Hurry up. Type in chat box. Okay, Drishti has written he will work hard. Very good. He will work hard. Very good. Yes, he will try to get a job. Okay. Very nice. One of the students, Janvi, has written, Sophie's life would have been very difficult in the winter. He did not have a house and food. Yes, it is given, but what would be his life if Cope would have not come? If Cope had not come, what would be his life? Tell me. Living happily with his job? He would determine, yes, he will find a job to become a successful man again. Yes, very good. He would enjoying a peaceful and happy life. Yes. He would enjoy a peaceful life. Okay. Yes, he will find a job to become a successful man. He would be enjoying a peaceful and happy life. Very good, Drishti. All are typing very good. Jalashveer has written so well. Janvi has written so well. Yes. Rivya, very nice. Drishti has written to earn money so that he can buy food, house, clothes. Rivya has written to change man in his soul will change him, his whole life. Okay, that's really good. Okay. Living practically. Okay, so all these are viewpoints of yours. Whatever you think, you are typing so well in chat box. I'm really happy with the performance of 7th B because these students actually participates in my class. And these students will be appreciated in front of their parents. Very good, very nice. Yes, very good. Rivya has written that this story would have a happy ending. See, this story, don't you think that it has a sad ending? Because at last it was arrested by cop, policeman, but he was feeling transformation in his life. He was feeling transformation in his soul. He was thinking, yes, I wanted to survive a good life. He felt, yes, he was missing those childhood days when he was so innocent, when there was no cleverness in his life. So at last he realized his mistake, that which kind of clever plans he was making. He wanted to cheat others like that. So he realized that all, but it was so late because he was being arrested by police and he was put behind the bars for 3 months. But if Cope had not come, so there would be a tremendous change. he would become a man of real sense. Okay, he would make his life meaningful, purposeful, and he would be doing a very good job. He would be earning a very good livelihood. He would be earning a good source of income. Okay, so it could be that is your viewpoint or my viewpoint. Whatever you think, you can jot down in your answer. Clear? So Lakshya has written he will be on the correct direction. Harman, he would do hard work. Yes, all your answers are very well. I'm really happy with the performance of 7th P. They type their answers so well. That's really good. Now, retell an episode in the story which is a good example of irony in a situation. See, when we started this chapter, I told you that this chapter is full of irony. I've told you irony is that whatever he was planning, whatever he was thinking, opposite of that was happening, isn't it? So when a person plans, yes, this would happen, that would happen, but opposite of that happens, this is called irony. Okay, so you just pick up any one example of irony from this chapter and tell me. Any one example of irony. Hurry up. When he was planning that this would happen, but opposite of that happened. Tell me, hurry up. Yes, Harmanpreet. You tell me one example of irony.
Ma'am, the best example of irony in this whole chapter is the when Sophie was about to go in restaurant and the suddenly waiter stops him and takes him out.
Okay, very good. Very nice. Now, Drishti, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am. The best example of irony in a situation is that when Sophie threw a stone into the windows and the windows glass broken down, but the cop did not catch him because the cop's mind said that no one was going to accept his mistake and no one was going to stand like this after doing some mistake.
Very good. Your answer was perfect. So my dear student, you jot down all these answers in your fair notebook and it will be checked very soon.